Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add layer in Capcut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to open the Capcut on the platform you intended to use it. In my case, I'm going to be opening on mobile, and you can start with a new project if you haven't worked on anything yet. But in my case, I have already a project in place. So the three dots icon will give me an option to edit this project, right? So you see, I have added the video, and for me to add a layer is quite simple. All I have to do is, you see, there is an option here that says overlay. All right, if you click that, what will happen is there's a plus button that is adding another layer in the timeline. If you do that, you would notice we have an option to add another video or add another photo, right? So I'm going to choose this photo. And basically, as you can see, the photo or another element has been added here wherein you can resize, move it accordingly to the video, right? So that's one way. Another option, if you wanted to add a layer for adjustment, all I have to do is click this section right here. Go to the blank section, right? And then go to the hover down below and click the adjust. All right. And then obviously click the OK button. What will happen is there is an adjustment layer that has been added to the timeline. If you click the adjust button, you have an option to auto adjust, color match, of course, correct the brightness. You can increase that right here, you see, and the contrast, and add saturation and brilliance, sharpen, clarity, and a lot more. So these are going to be ways for you to not only add a layer but also add an adjustment layers on Capcut. After that, all I have to do is export it to the different file formats and save your project in this platform. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.